Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sticker onto your image in Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application and then tap on the open button or the plus icon in order to open up any image that you would like to edit. Once you open up this image, you can search within the tools option, but you will not find any sticker or emoji option, which means that you will need to manually download the sticker using your web browser. So open up your browser on your phone and then search for the sticker that you want to download using your search engine. From there you can just download the sticker. And now go back into the Snapseed application and tap on Tools. From here scroll down and tap on Double Exposure and then tap on Open Image in order to open up your sticker. Once you open up your sticker, you can use the pinch and zoom feature in order to scale your sticker and also drag it to wherever you would like to position it. After placing the sticker in the appropriate position, tap on the opacity option and now move it slightly to the left so that it is almost invisible. Then tap on the tick mark and now tap on Edit Stack. Now go into the View Edits menu and then tap on Double Exposure. From here tap on the middle option to fine-tune your sticker. Now first of all tap on the invert button and now you will see the whole image highlighted in red. Double tap in order to zoom in and now you can use the brush in order to remove the red highlight from your sticker area. Make sure the double exposure value is set to 0. Now just remove the red highlight from everywhere within the image except for your sticker that you want to keep. Once you carefully remove the highlight from every other section apart from your sticker, you can now tap on the tick mark button at the bottom right corner. You will now see that your emoji is appeared, but it is barely visible. So in order to fix this, tap on double exposure once again and then tap on the settings icon. From here tap on opacity and now choose the maximum opacity that you prefer. Then tap on the tick mark once again and now the changes will be applied to your image right away. You can now tap on the export button in order to export your image. And there you have it. That is how you can add stickers onto your image in Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.